By embedding videos from fellow hikers, this Utah-based trail adventurist site is able to boost their own content and encourage visitors to discover trails they may have passed by otherwise. In this case, it's good to tell readers, hey, take a hike. How'd they do that? You can add video from many providers like YouTube or Vimeo simply by using our embed code element. Go to the video you want to use and find the embeddable code. On YouTube, it's below the player, under Share, then Embed. Clicking Show More will open the options for you to adjust how the video will look on your site. In Vimeo, click the Share icon. You can show options to adjust the settings, then copy the code under Embed. Go back to Weebly and click within the embed code element on your page to paste your code in place. Now click outside the element to see your handiwork. One extra tip is to change the width in the code to 100%. That will ensure the width of your video frame properly changes with the width of the visitor's screen, so the video will look good whether they're on a phone, a tablet, or a browser. And that's how you do that.